ಏ ಅವ್ರದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
Alexa, what happened was initially, as I was telling you, that people used to look at fan for utility. Nobody thought of wall. And the whole campaign that we ran on ceiling art was the first in the industry, where we said, you have 4 walls, you spend so much of time to get the right shade. You think about what is going to be inside these. Hi, my name is Ravinder Singh Negi. I am the president for ECD for HAVELLS. I look after the electrical consumer durable division for HAVELLS. Today we are gathered here to introduce and launch a fan called Carnesia-I, which is the truly next generation fan. In HAVELLS, we've always believed in giving consumers a great experience and giving them the best. So this fan is all about, not just all about aesthetics and beautiful, it's a fan with beauty and brains. So it's an intelligent fan which is fully loaded with IoT features. It's compatible to your mobile device and app. It can talk to Alexa and Google voice enabled. But apart from other things, it's an intelligent fan. So it just senses what's the temperature around you, or it just senses what's the humidity levels around you, and adjusts the speed of the fan accordingly. So it's a great fan which just senses your experience or the kind of temperature and humidity that you are in, and just gives you the right kind of speed and the comfort. So it's the innovation and what we call as a fanovate, that in fans and innovation, HAVELLS has always been known for it, and we continue to lead the industry in innovation and thought leadership. We are the leaders in the decorative and premium segments, and with this fan, we hope and we will strengthen our position as leaders. So for our consumer price, it will be about 4,500 to 4,800.
Right now it's available in all the shops.
We've just launched it today in Bangalore. In few days' time, it will start getting available in all.